Namaste friends. In Ayurveda, Upavasa is one among all Devapashaya Chikitsa and one among the 10 Langana therapies. Fasting is complete voluntary abstinence from taking any kind of food for a particular time in order to give rest to your digestive system. Fasting and starvation are two different terms commonly confused with each other. Starvation means not eating or drinking altogether, while fasting means control and restraint of 5 sensory and 5 motory senses. Ayurveda quotes Langanam Paramoshadam, which means fasting is super medicine. Fasting activates autophagy, which helps to slow down the aging process and has a positive impact on cell renewal. Japanese cell biologist Yoshinori Osumi won the Nobel Prize in Medicine in 2016 for his research on the process called autophagy, that is, how cells recycle and renew their content. Autophagy means self-eat. In other words, the process by which the human body eats its own damaged cell and unused protein. Fasting is not a new concept. It's been used for thousands of years among various religions like Hindus, Muslims, Buddhists, and Christians. And fasting is even used in political purpose as used by Gandhi. And recently it is used in medical purpose to help in treating cancer, Alzheimer and other type of illness. From religion to medical purpose, fasting is used to reach the heightened state of appreciation. Panchasutra by Dr. Venkat Rao for maintenance of health includes 2 meals a day, 8 to 12 glasses of water for drinking daily, exercise daily for 1 hour, pray twice daily, fasting once a week for 1 day. Method of fasting. Fasting is considered not from the last meal but after the meal has been digested. One should drink water whenever feels hungry. Daily from sunrise, the faster should be without food for 6 hours or more until natural hunger is experienced. Then take light meal with positive food. Food indicated during and after fasting. Ayurveda advocates the intake of freshly prepared rice gruel, which is easy for digestion and a good appetizer soon after the fasting. Upavasa as a treatment in Ayurveda. In Ayurveda, fasting is indicated in vomiting, diarrhea, cardiac disorder, cholera, fever. If the elements are of less severity, should be treated by fasting. Benefits of fasting. Fasting enhances insulin sensitivity, fights inflammation, promotes heart health, supports cognitive function, and boosts weight loss. Research showing the beneficial effects of fasting. Fasting in humans help to reduce obesity, hypertension, asthma, rheumatoid arthritis. Fasting has the potential to delay aging and help to prevent and treat diseases while minimizing the side effects caused by chronic dietary interventions. Some study showed that alternating days of normal feeding and fasting can enhance brain function as indicated by improvement in performance on behavioral tests of sensory and motor and learning and memory. Additional effects of fasting in human cells that can be considered as potentially anti-aging are inhibitor of mTOR pathway, stimulation of autophagy and ketogenesis. Periodic fasting can reverse multiple features of metabolic syndrome in humans. It enhances insulin sensitivity, stimulates lipolysis, and reduces blood pressure. Classical texts and modern research articles, and we have critically analyzed the fact about fasting is that the practice of fasting is not only religiously approved but scientifically also for the benefits of each person. Fasting purifies mind and body. It strengthens one conviction and teaches you self-control. Keep supporting. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe the channel.